Welcome back, Year 10. So you should have sent your speeches complete on task 3 through to the team's assignment hand-in or emailed them to your teacher. Whilst they'll be marking, we're going to be looking at the university or job path. So once you've gone to college or sixth form or completed an apprenticeship or spent some time in a job and learned how to drive, you may begin to consider whether university or permanent job is the right path for you. So the path we're going to look at first is university. Now we're aiming high. We're going to the University of Oxford. Okay, so university is an opportunity for you to build on your A-level, BTEC or MBQ qualifications. More often than not, university qualifications can open up a greater range of careers with potentially greater wages. So if you go to a university because you'll be qualifying at degree level or possibly master's level if you stay on at university, then job opportunities are a little bit more open to you, and it tends to be the jobs that earn a little bit more as well. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the skill of summarise today. Now, to summarise is to read a text, to understand its meaning and put it into your own words. So that is the key part there, is putting it into your own words. So we've asked you to summarise in your own words why you should go to university according to the article attached. So it's worth 5 marks, which means you must give 5 reasons. Now, with the summarise, you don't have to put it into paragraphs, and you do not quote. That's the real key part there. You do not quote. It must be in your own words. So in the exam, this question allows you to pick up to 5 easy marks, but you must write it in your own words or it won't count. So for example, in the article, if I just get that article up for you, we've got reasons to go to university taken offline. So the first sentence says, getting a university degree can certainly put you ahead of the game in terms of career prospects. Well, that would be the quotation. Now, I don't want you to quote from the text. I want you to take that understanding and put it into your own words. So one reason that you should go to university is because it can put you at an advantage when considering careers. So that is this sentence translated into my own words. You need to go through this article now and find 4 more reasons to attend university and put them into your own words. And that's how you would tackle a summarised question. Okay, so once you've done that one, you'll need to put that into a document, type up your answer. 5 bullet points are absolutely fine. No need to put them into paragraphs. 5 bullet points are absolutely fine. And then we're going to have a look at a second question. And this one is a summarise and a how does it persuade. So we're going to recall some of the skills that we've done in previous lessons. So this one is summarise in your own words what is required to apply to Oxford University. So there's a text there on the requirements of Oxford University, and it'd be worth you having a little read through that. It'll get you used to what might be required of you in the future. And then on the same text, you're going to answer a question that should be familiar to you from previous lessons. How does the leaflet persuade you to pick Oxford University, So how does the leaflet persuade you to pick Oxford University over any other university? Now remember, when you're looking at persuasion, it's really important that you look at the images that have been used, the structure that has been used, so the organisation and some devices. And the structure that you should be following per paragraph for that would be manipulate, evidence, analyse, and zoom on at least 2 of those paragraphs. So if it's worth 10 marks, you'll be looking to write 8 paragraphs, 2 of which should be in detail with a zoom. Okay, so just to recap, if you are looking at how something persuades you, you must be using the MIAS format. So manipulate, evidence, analyse, and zoom. And make sure that when you've got to the end of that paragraph, you are telling me that this is persuasive because. Okay, because that keyword persuade is in there. So you must tell me why what you have chosen as your evidence is persuasive. Okay, so by the end of this lesson today, guys, you should have sent us 2 responses to a summarise. One on the previous, which was on why you should attend university, reasons to go. This one on your own words, what is required to apply to Oxford University, and a persuasion response. How does the leaflet persuade you to pick Oxford University? Okay, and that is what is expected of you in today's lesson.